Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Science and IT Gate Coaching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the instant notification of my free lecture. So this is about me. I am a computer science gate faculty having more than 5 plus of teaching experience, mentored more than 50,000 students, taught in different coaching institute all over India. Okay, it's like the Gate Academy, even qualified multiple times Gate, and even I have given the coaching in many government colleges as well as in many private colleges. Like in SRM Chennai, I have given coaching. CAT Bhubaneswar, I have given. BC Bhagalpur, Jorhat College of Engineering, Guwahati University, Dibrugarh University, Government College of Engineering and Technology, Jammu, Ramgarh Engineering College. Okay, these are the colleges where I have went and I have given the coaching. Now convert this epsilon NFA to NFA. चलिए आप लोग खुद से कीजिए, मैं भी यहाँ करता हूँ, आप लोग वेरीफाई कर लीजिएगा, ठीक है। अब NFA में ये तो एप्सिलॉन NFA है. Now we will convert into NFA. So initial state is going to A. On getting A, where it is going, how to find? First we have to do the epsilon closure. A epsilon closure is A, B, C. On getting A, where it is going, all the rich state. A on getting A, where it is going is A. B on getting A, where it is going? B on getting A, it is going to 5, nowhere. C on getting A, it is going to nowhere. So again A epsilon closer to the reached we have to find, that is ABC. So A on getting A, it is going to ABC. A on getting B, so A epsilon closer is ABC only. A epsilon closer is ABC. Now getting B, A on getting B, it's going to empty date configuration. B on getting B, it's going to B. C on getting B, it's going to date configuration. Now B epsilon closure is B and C. So A on getting B, it's going to BC. Now B on C. So A on C. A epsilon closure is again ABC. On C, A on C is going to date configuration. B on C is going to date configuration. C on C is going to C only. Is going to C only. C configuration epsilon closure is C. So A on C is going to only C. Now we will go for B. B on B epsilon closure. B epsilon closure is B and C. B on A, C on A. B on A is going to date configuration. C on A is going to date configuration. So B on A is going to 5. Going to 5. B on B. So B on B. So first we have to find B epsilon closure. Then B on B is going to B only, and C on B is going to date configuration. Again we have to do the epsilon closure of B. We will get BC. So B on B is going to BC. B on B. A on C. A on C. B. A on C में C होगा, B नहीं होगा. Now B on C. B epsilon closure B and C है. B on C. By C on C. C epsilon closure is BC. Fine. So B on C, it will go to capital C. B on C, it's going to capital C. अब लास्ट C का हम लोग करेंगे. C का एप्सिलॉन क्लोजर C ही होगा. C को A मिलेगा तो वो कहीं नहीं जाएगा. फाई C को B मिलेगा तो B वो कहीं नहीं जाएगा. C को C मिलेगा तो सिर्फ वो C के पास जाएगा. आप ऐसे देख के भी कर सकते हैं. C का एप्सिलॉन क्लोजर सब C ही है, कहीं जा नहीं रहा है. ऐसे आपका टाइम बच जाएगा. What is going to be the final state? C is going to the final state, and B is also going to the final state. as well as A is also going to the final state, because A on getting epsilon is also going to the C, B on getting epsilon is also going to C. So all these state A, B, C is going to be the final state. Okay, we can convert every epsilon NFA to NFA. We can convert every epsilon NFA to NFA. Now question, both epsilon NFA and, so before going to the question, let me ask one thing. The delta of, so we can convert every epsilon NFA to NFA. Okay, we can convert every epsilon NFA to NFA. The delta of NFA is Q cross sigma goes to 2 to the power Q. The delta of epsilon NFA is Q cross sigma union epsilon goes to 2 to the power Q. So here it is saying that by one state by getting epsilon, it can also go to more than one state. Okay, it's saying union, it can. So can I say that? So because of that, now I am concluding only, I am not asking you. Okay, here one state by getting one input alphabet, it can go to more than one state. Here one state by getting one input alphabet, it can go to more than one state. Even by getting epsilon also, it can go to one state. So more than one state. So can I say that every NFA is also a epsilon NFA by seeing that delta? Because whatever things we are having here, that can be allowed here. If you don't want to give epsilon transition, no need to give, don't give it. It's saying that you can have, you can give it. So one state by getting some input alphabet, it can go to more than one state, and even epsilon transition is allowed. But here epsilon transition is not allowed. So can I say that every NFA is also a epsilon NFA? Because here the delta is in union. समझ में आ रहा है क्या आप लोगों को? But all NFAs, epsilon NFA are not but all epsilon NFA are not NFA. ठीक है, लेकिन सारा epsilon NFA नहीं, ठीक है. Now next, DFA delta is Q cross sigma goes to Q. NFA delta is Q cross sigma goes to 2 to the power Q. Epsilon NFA delta is Q cross sigma union epsilon goes to 2 to the power Q. Now can I say that since we can say that every DFA is also NFA, we are also saying that every NFA is also a epsilon NFA. So we can even say that every DFA is also a epsilon NFA. क्लियर हुआ चीजें? ये सबसेट है, ये उसका सुपरसेट है, ये उसका सुपरसेट है. ठीक है, हर DFA को आप NFA कह सकते हैं, हर NFA को आप epsilon NFA कह सकते हैं. तो आप ये भी तो कह सकते हैं कि हर DFA epsilon NFA भी है. क्लियर हो रही है चीजें? Since every DFA is NFA and every since every DFA is a NFA and every NFA is epsilon NFA, so we can say that every DFA is also a epsilon NFA, but vice versa is not true. ठीक है, अब आपसे हम लोग क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे। DFA, NFA and Epsilon NFA are equivalent in power। मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि ये तीनों आपस में इक्विवेलेंट है पावर में। टेल मी वेदर इट इज ट्रू और फॉल्स। All three are equivalent in power. Tell me whether it is true or false. Because all DFAs are NFA, all NFAs are Epsilon NFA, and we can convert each other. We can convert Epsilon NFA to NFA, NFA to DFA. So if someone is given you Epsilon NFA and they are asking you what is the DFA of that, then you have to convert into NFA. Then from NFA you have to convert into DFA. It's a long process. So in GATE exam till now they haven't asked. Okay, but just for understanding, I am saying that. So आपका FA without output is complete. Now we will move to FA with output, that is Moraine and Mealy machine. जो Epsilon NFA से NFA किए थे तो हमें ये मिला था A I'm getting is going to ABC, on getting me it was went to BC, C मिलने से C के पास गया और ये BC था, ठीक है। तो अब हम इसे कन्वर्ट करते हैं DFA में। ए को ए मिल रहा है तो कहाँ जा रहा है, ABC पे। मिल रहा है तो BC पे जा रहा है और C मिल रहा है तो C के पास जा रहा है। तो अब ये सब नए स्टेट हो गए। सो C का लिखते हैं, C को A मिल रहा है तो वो डेड स्टेट हो जाएगा, B मिला तो डेड स्टेट हो जाएगा और ये CE हो जाएगा। फिर BC लिखते हैं तो डेड स्टेट हो जाएगा, तो फाई है, ये BC हो जाएगा और ये C हो जाएगा। फिर ABC BC सारे स्टेट का हमने ट्रांजिशन दे दिए तो सारे स्टेट्स भी फाइनल स्टेट हो जाएगा। ए भी हो जाएगा, सी भी हो जाएगा, बी सी। क्लियर है, क्योंकि जो जो स्टेट में फाइनल स्टेट होगा वो सारे फाइनल स्टेट हो जाएंगे। ए फाइनल स्टेट हो गया, सी हो गया, बी सी हो गया, ए बी सी हो गया, ठीक है। बी था, सी था, इसलिए जो जो स्टेट में ए या बी या सी है वो फाइनल हो जाएगा। पहले ए था फाइनल, बी था फाइनल और सी था फाइनल। अब जो जो स्टेट में या ए होगा या बी होगा या सी होगा वो भी फाइनल हो जाएगा। अगर बी फाइनल नहीं होता तो भी यही फाइनल होता, क्योंकि इसमें ए है, इसमें सी है, इसमें सी है, इसमें भी ए और सी है, तब भी ये तीनों होता। देखिए जो स्टेट में अगर सी फाइनल नहीं होता तो आपको डिफरेंस तब पता चलेगा जब मैं इसे हटा देता हूँ, जब मैं सी को फाइनल से सी और बी को दोनों को हटाता हूँ, ठीक है। जब सी और बी दोनों जब फाइनल नहीं रहेगा तो क्या होगा, देखिए तो सिर्फ ए फाइनल होगा, ये फाइनल नहीं होगा, ये भी नहीं होगा, लेकिन ये फाइनल हो जाएगा क्योंकि इसमें ए कंटेन कर रहा है, ए है ए है इसमें, इसलिए फाइनल हो जाएगा। तो मैं इसे चेंज कर दूँ ताकि जब आप लोग बाद में देखें तो गलत ना कर दे। तो ये उसका DFA था।